Hello everybody. I'm just gonna make a very small video. Just want to show you the perennials I bought again. This one is called Lewisia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Yeah, it has cute flowers. And I got some perennial pansies, yellow and purple, and this one is white and purple. It's kind of looking droopy. It needs water. And then I got these cute ones. It's called English Daisy. This one is the same thing, English Daisy, pink and white. And I also got a Columbine right here, and this one is from the one I have in the backyard. It's red and whitish. This one is gonna be lilac or purplish with white, which I can't wait for it to open. Look at it, it's already trying to open. I love these ones. I saw this color, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get it. And I got two more Columbines, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Two more Columbine. Columbine? This is a white one. This one is not open yet, but it was a very dark purple. Oh my god, it was a really dark purple. I will insert the pictures. And I believe you guys already saw this one, which I already had last year, and it's come back, and she has so many flowers. These are my perennials. Isn't that gorgeous? Aren't they beautiful? They look like so many hearts. Yes, so that's my perennial plant haul. And I also got, this is not a perennial, but these are the petunias. I put it on this statue. And what else? Well, geraniums, I got like 4 pots for the front of the home. And that's about it. This is the geraniums that I got. This is like almost purple color. Doesn't seem in the camera to be purple. And then that one over there is a very dark red. Very dark red. I mean really dark. In the camera I don't see that it's so dark. It's kind of light. Then we got this light red one. Light red, the geranium. And we got this white. And a red was in there. It kind of, I guess they sneaked a red one in there. White and red geraniums. Yes, my friends, so that's basically all my little plant haul. So getting ready for summer soon to come, hopefully. It's starting to be warm. Now it's 24 today, and it's gonna be 20s, around 20s, 20 tomorrow. Well, my friends, if you're new, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.